Hello friends, this video is about how to save the internet data, the background apps which is taking a lot of memory, lot of internet from your computer. So we will learn how to stop and limit the internet usage in Windows 10. On the start icon and go to settings. Once the setting is opened, now here we are looking for privacy. So we just have to click on privacy, and from the left hand side just scroll it down and look for something related to background, and here we go. We have found the background apps. Now here it's a very important first step which we are going to do. You need to make sure whichever the application which you do not use, just turn it off. So there are many applications which I do not use in the background, so I can turn off the Microsoft Store and the game Fresco. I can turn off the camera too, films and TVs. So make sure you turn off all the unwanted things which shouldn't be running in the background, because if they are running in the background, they will also be consuming the internet. Once this is done, we will move to the next step, and for that we just have to type Windows. The moment you type Windows, you will find Windows Update Settings. Now here, most of you guys have already updated the Windows 10, so I would recommend to stop this. So for that we just have to click on this Windows Update and just scroll it down, or click on Advanced Options, and here make sure you turn off all the options: receive updates, download updates, restart this device. Now the next step we are going to do is to metered connection. So for that I'll just do a right click on the start icon and go to settings, and here we are looking for network. Now from the left hand side you just have to select the Wi-Fi, and you just have to click on that connection. I'm sorry, if you have Ethernet you can simply click on Ethernet, or if you're using Wi-Fi you can click on Wi-Fi. So since I'm using the Wi-Fi, I'll select this and I just have to click on that connection which is I'm connected right now. So the moment I do it, I just have to scroll it down and make sure this set as a metered connection should be turned on. Now this is a very powerful setting. So in this manner, the moment you turn it on, your data consumption will be way less than earlier. So make sure this should be turned on. Alright, so these are the steps which is very helpful to stop the data, the unwanted data to be consumed. And if this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.